Mechanics, this guy is still making noise. I don't like it. Reduce the sound.
Oga, this is the sound your engine is supposed to be making.
No, I want no sound. I don't want when I get to my house, all my neighbors will know that I'm back because of the sound of my car.
Oga, this is good. This is silent engine.
Silent? I don't want silent engine. I want no sound. In fact, where's your Oga?
Oh.
Oga, please come. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I told your boys to remove sound from my car, and they're unable to do it.
Oga, this is the normal sound of this car.
I don't want normal sound. I want no sound.
Oga, but this is how the car was made.
Are you a mechanic?
Yes, sir.
You should be able to do what I'm asking you to do.
It's okay, sir. No wahala. Reduce the engine power. Reduce the sound. Oga, start your engine.
See. It's still making sound. You people should remove this sound. Work this thing now. I don't like my car making any sound at all. Remove this sound. Can't you still hear it?
I can't even hear the sound of this engine from here.
It's still there.
Oga, this guy is not making sound.
Listen.
I can't hear any sound. But this guy has stopped making sound.
This thing is still making sound. Remove this sound.
Emanuela! Please, Emanuela, come.
Can go now. We have finished work. No need for trouble now. I thought you are wearing suit.
Emanuela, listen. Are you hearing any sound from this car?
No, I'm just hearing only vroom.
I don't want vroom.
Why? What do you want?
I want no sound.
Oga, the only way this sound can stop is if you off your ear.
Wait. Uncle, come, let me see you. I have an idea.
We have finished work.
Go and figure it out. You need a small girl to teach you your work.
Alright, sir. Go and come back tomorrow. We will remove the sound of your car.
So you are back to your senses now?
Yes, there will not be sound at all.
Tomorrow, you say?
Tomorrow come.
Good.
We will pimp your ride.
We will pimp it.
Where are these mechanics? Is my car ready?
This is a Harmonic beat.
Your car is ready, sir. Sir, you know that the first time you came here, you were complaining that your car have sound.
True. Yeah.
We have removed sound from your car.
Okay.
And thanks to Emanuela. Guys, give him his car.
Where's my engine?
We threw it away. It was the engine that was making sound now.
No engine, no sound. You have officially been pimped.
No more vroom.
Let's go walk another car.
Please come and put the engine back. Let me make it vroom.
Damn right. So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.